Hey guys, Allie with Tip B. Today we're going to look at an app for iPhone and iPad, but I'm going to show you it on the iPhone. It's called MarkdownMail. And what this does, it's a really easy way for you to create HTML emails or markdown code that you can email yourself to publish online. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here to go to a new draft. And I want to show you how this works. And before we do that, let's look at well, let's do this first. And you can see they have a syntax reference here. You can click that and it'll take you right to the Daring Fireball website in Safari that'll show you all the syntax to learn Markdown. I highly suggest anyone that publish online to learn Markdown. It's an extremely easy language to learn, and it clears out a lot of the issues and bugginess and basically junk code that HTML will create. It'll basically translate it into well-formed, valid HTML code. So say we wanted to do a heading up here, 1 pound sign, 2 pound signs, or 3 pound signs are your heading types. So let's do this and say we're doing a how to, I don't know, say we're going to teach someone how to wrangle a unicorn. So that's going to be my heading. Maybe I'll have some text in here, so we'd put some text in here. Oh. So we'd have that in here. And that would be regular text. Maybe we had a quote right here. You could use carrots and this will indent it. So we'd have a quote here. And maybe then we wanted some bullet points. Or maybe we wanted some pros and cons. So we could do pros. And then we could have some bullet points, which are just an asterisk. Easy. Fun. Good workout. I don't know. Okay. Now you have a couple options once you're done with this. So we can go and preview it with this button here. And this is going to say how to wrangle a unicorn. And you can see where the quote would be indented, your basic text, and then you'd have your heading and then your bullet points. You can choose to email just Markdown, or you can choose to send it as an actual email. So we could go right here and we could actually send this as a valid HTML email. Whoever I sent this to, it would basically format the way it's supposed to. Or I can go and I can email just the Markdown version. So this is what I typically do when I'm going to post an article. It gives me the Markdown, I'll email it and copy paste it into Tip B, and then we're good to go. All I have to do is add image and video. So it makes my life a lot easier because I can write on the go. So the iPad version is the exact same as this version, except obviously you can, it's a little bit bigger. I prefer writing on the iPad, but just for quick things, the iPhone version does just fine. You can also trash things right here. Same difference. So this is Markdown for Mail. It's pretty simple. All your drafts will show up in here. You don't save anything. They'll automatically be there. If I want to delete something, like this is just the template that came in it. And you can see this one's got even a little bit more. And let's show one more thing here since we're looking at this. Say I wanted a link to Tip B. I can just do my little brackets. And then a parentheses after it. Like that. We'll create a link to Tip B, which is nice because you don't have to do the href, HTML tags, and all that fun stuff. So say I wanted to delete one of these, you can just like you would in many other apps, just do that. But MarkdownMail, definitely easy app to learn how to use, very simple. If you guys have any questions, comments, or anything like that, let us know. Thanks, guys.